Hello and welcome back to yet another video on the channel. This is going to be part 5 of our van build series. So in today's video is going to be a little bit of everything. We've put a new sliding door into Fergus, so now we actually have a window. We've tucked the kitchen out, we've begun painting, and we started laying down the wires for our wiring system. So let's get on to the video and show you what we have got done. So the colour we decided to go for is this alabaster white from Colour Trend. So we've got a litre of this here, so hopefully it'll be enough to do all of this here. So in the end we actually did 3 coats of undercoat, so hopefully this here will be enough to get it done. Before we put the lino down, Annie just painted this back panel where all our electrics are going to go. Up top here we're going to have carpet, so we don't want the carpet coming down and being beside all the electrics in case it does cause a fire. So we just painted that there, just looks a wee bit nicer when we lift up the bed and everything, we can see underneath it. But now it's time to put our lino down and see how it goes. So I have the lino put in now, so I've torn it up maybe an inch or two just along this edge here, because that's going to be seam. So fold it up and then I'm going to cut in along the edge so we get a nice flat edge and we have no curves. I went and made this chrome strip. Now it has the black plastic on it, but that's just going to sit over there and that's just going to hold the carpet in place and to give a nice feature when you enter the van. So before I start running the wires, I'm going to take this here off so I can run the wires behind it. I'm not going to take it off completely, just enough so I can get the wires down behind it. So my plans are to have my lights and all mounted up here. So what I'm going to do is run the wires through here, down through this bit of piping, down along the back of this panel, and I'll have a hole out here and it'll all come across to my fuse board. So the cable that I'm using to run all these wires is just 1.5 square cable. So I have my red for my positive and then my black for all my negatives. So I have 4 lights in total and each light is on their own switch. So I'm going to wire these in parallel so I can just turn on any light I want at any time. And I think 4 is going to be more than enough, but we can use whatever light we need. So now that's all the wires run for the lights, and the good thing about the T25 is you have a lot of space up here to hide all your wires and it makes it easy to pull through. So I'm going to put a light up here. I'll probably never need it, but it's just that it's over the engine bay, and if we ever need to work on the engine we have a light directly above it, so that's going to be a good help. And then we're just going to have the 3 other ones around. Earlier on I took all the carpet off the boxes around the seats, so we're going to put new carpet on those there. And now I'm actually going to change the sliding door because I'm going to get rid of this door and put a door with a window in, so it just lets more light into the van. There goes it up.
we've just changed the door of the van and it looks so strange with this new door. So when we bought the van, we got an extra sliding door with a window. So because we knew we wanted a window there, because it makes the van so bright. So yeah, we are obviously going to respray this van, but right now this door is brown, black, red and green. So to change the door we only had to unbolt these 3 bolts that are size 13, this one at the top which is size 15, and then out here we have another 2 bolts here that are size 13, and then once we had them all off we just have to slide the door out and then we put this one in. So it is such a change. What do you think? I love it. And also it's so good that when we open the door now we get lights through this window, because before there's no window here, and when we opened the door that back window was covered, but now it's just, it makes the van so bright. Such a change. Right now Shane is taking the locking mechanism of the old door, the one that doesn't have a window, and we are going to transfer it onto the one with the window and the funny colours. So all this is gonna be, it's gonna have the locking mechanism, and then we're gonna get a new handle for the outside.
So because the van has now got a new sliding door and it's a totally different colour to the blue that's on the van, we're actually going to get the van totally resprayed. So before we do that there, I'm going to get a couple of parts welded in just on the driver's side of the van. There's a little small hole coming beside the petrol cap, so that's going to be filled in with a new panel, and then at the back quarter panel there's going to be another small panel there welded into place. But other than that there, the van is pretty sound. So the van's going to be going for a respray either in the next week or 2. So 2 weeks after this video comes out, hopefully the van will be in for a respray. But before that, I'm going to actually have a video of tearing down the whole outside of the van, so taking off the mirrors, the lights, the bumpers, everything there to get ready for a respray, and then I'll leave it over to the paint shop and they'll respray it for me. So don't know what colour we're going to go for yet. Maybe medium blue, like an original 1982 Volkswagen colour. So that will be decided. So drop a comment down below if you have any colour suggestions, and we'll see what one we pick. So that's going to be it now for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, hit the like button, subscribe, share our videos, all that kind of stuff. And in the next video we're going to be getting the Fergus ready to go for a new lick of paint, so stay tuned for that there, and until then we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.